Welcome to today's episode of Tasting the City, and we're on Bayshore Drive, and if you're wondering where I'm at, I'm just right next door to Eddie's Bar and Grill in the same little plaza, and there is a great sushi restaurant here. I've eaten here before. It's fantastic, and that's going to be our episode today, and we're going to go to Seikaku Restaurant, and I think I pronounced it right, but we're going to ask the chef, Jose, to pronounce it correctly. And if you have a Japanese restaurant with a chef named Jose, it's got to be a good story. So let's go in and find out what's going on. Follow me. Hey, your name is Jose.
Yes, sir.
What? And how do you pronounce your restaurant? One more time.
Seikaku Sushi and Steak.
Excellent. I'm not going to repeat it, but you just heard him say that, okay? I understand you have really good food here?
So they say. I pretty believe much so.
I've eaten here before, and they really do. And so you're going to fix us something today?
Yes, I am. I'm going to fix you an appetizer and two of our most popular rolls.
Excellent. I'm going to go outside and fix us a table, okay?
Go right ahead. I'll have you there in the jiffy in the mood.
I'll meet you out there.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, 3 of them then. Thank you, Aaron. Let's see, where's Jose? Hey, how you doing? Good to see you, my friend.
Likewise, how are you?
Good to see you. And what beauty do we have here? You can start wherever you want to. Tell me what they are.
Let's start with the appetizers.
Okay.
Right here we have a spicy tuna nachos, which is a tuna poke, over wonton fried chips with jalapenos, avocados. On a bed of lettuce with sesame ginger dressing. Here you're going to have your West Coast, which is yellowfin tuna, Scottish salmon, steamed shrimp, cucumber topped off with avocado, spicy mayo and eel sauce. And here you have the other most popular one, which is your osprey's nest, which is cream cheese, crab, and cucumber topped off with avocado. And then we do a crab salad mix over the top with tobiko eggs to make it look like a little egg on top for the osprey's nest, sesame seeds, spicy mayo, and eel sauce.
Holy moly. I don't know where to start. Should I start with the appetizer?
Sure.
Let me start with the appetizer. That is delicious. Crispy. And what's in here? The little tuna?
That's tuna.
And you get a little
avocado.
Get a little hit with the jalapeno in there. Jalapeno. Just a little bit.
Yes, it's got a citrus soy ponzu sauce in there.
So appetizer, and we move on to the second
move
part.
On to the second one if you like, or you could try the osprey.
Let me try the second one first. We'll go to West Coast first. Why not?
Okay, yeah, we're on the west coast of Florida,
Yeah.
so that's why we gave it that name.
Oh, so it's not. It has nothing to do with California then.
No, nothing to do with California. Has to do with the west coast of Florida.
Jose,
Like that?
I love that. Now, the osprey's nest, I've actually had that before. If you would just kind of slide that over here.
Oh, of course.
And I'll pretend like this is something new I haven't eaten before. Well, let me tell you, this osprey's nest is delicious. And again, we have in this
crab, cucumber, and cream cheese. And we top it off with avocado. And then we put a crab mix on the inside of tuna, salmon, crab, whitefish, spicy mayo eel sauce. The black you see are the little tobiko eggs to make it look like a little nest.
Oh, what's tobiko?
Tobikos are fish eggs.
Oh, fish eggs. So it's like caviar.
Yes, not as salty.
Not as salty. No, it's not. It's good. It's a little crunchy to it.
A little poppy.
Yeah, that is delicious. This
And
is
then the white you
food.
see around the edges is noodles that we throw in the fryer and then makes it look like the nest of a bird.
Beautiful presentation.
Nice and crisp.
And they're good too. They're very good. Now, your name is Jose.
Yes, sir.
This is a Japanese sushi restaurant.
Yes, sir.
There's got to be a story behind this.
Well, that's a very interesting story. Let's start with I used to run a catering company for someone else, and I learned how to do sushi from them.
You had a good
Decided
teacher.
to go venture onto my own, put a little twist of Spanish into it.
Yep.
The spicy mayo is homemade; it's not store bought. So it's got a little bit of more Spanish ingredients. Then
So it's Japanese with
Japanese with a little bit of Spanish adobo, sazon into it.
This is wonderful stuff.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now the name of your restaurant again is,
Seikaku Sushi and Steak.
and what does that mean?
Seikaku means guest of honor.
Guest of honor. So when you
You're
eat here,
a
you're the guest of honor.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Now that's
Anyone
something.
that comes in
I'm
is the
into
guest
that.
of honor.
This is wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Now you have a catering business. You said
Yes,
something?
I also have a sushi catering business that I do for the Baker hospitals.
Ah.
So I do Dunedin Countryside, St. Anthony's, St. Joseph's Women's, Raymond James Financial. I'm an approved vendor for the Tampa Bay Lightning, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
So if I went to a hockey game, I could actually get some
Yes.
of your sushi.
Yes, sir.
Who knew that? You did.
Yes. I don't advertise it just due to the fact of what's going on right now with the COVID-19. So I'm not putting it out there because I don't know when that's about to start.
Well, that's true. We had to make some. I noticed that when we were inside, everybody had a mask on. You and I are outside.
Total
now, but that's okay.
adjustments.
And keeping social distance, 6 feet or so. But this is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful
Thank you very
stuff.
much.
Now, not knowing anything about cooking, and everybody that knows me know that I don't know anything about cooking. Eating, I know about. Cooking, maybe not so much. But I heard maybe that you would transfer some of your knowledge to people.
Oh yes, we do sushi classes every other Monday. It's groups of 10. So I set up boards on the inside of the restaurant on the sushi bar, and I explain from step 1 all the way through on how to cook the rice, how to make the crab, how to make the spicy tuna, how to roll, how much rice to use so you don't use too much rice, not enough protein.
Wow. So I could come and learn to make some
You
of
can
this?
come and learn how to make.
Wow, that'd almost be
Yes.
worth it.
Yes.
I'm not much of a cook.
Alcohol
but this-
included.
Oh, well, in that
alcohol
case.
not included.
Alcohol not included.
Not
Oh,
included.
okay.
Not
There's-
included.
There's always a catch. There's
Yes,
always a
it's-
catch.
that is not included. That's not included in the game.
Well, thank you. This has been a wonderful, wonderful meal. Food is great. Everything is just rolling along here. And you can even come here and learn how to become a new Jose.
Oh, that would be kind of interesting.
Well, we will see you in our next episode of Tasting the City. Don't forget a little button down here. I will use this other hand down here. You press that and you can subscribe, and so you won't miss a single episode of Tasting the City. Thanks.
Thank you.
Wave at the camera.
See you later. Thank you so much.
Thank you.